G'day everyone, Happy New Year. Today we're going to be running you over some changes that we have made to the Catch Pro product. So this is going to be the Series 2 Catch Pro. Now a lot of the, some of the changes are kind of subtle with a mix between cosmetic and a few structural upgrades. Basically to just show that the product is going to continue to evolve, and however we can make things better or just at least grow is going to be our aim. So first of all, what we have here is we have upgraded our rivets, and what we have done is we have a rivet that now has a flange to really pinch that mesh on tight. And so with these Series 2 models now, there'll be, you can bang these around however, and these rivets are final. They're going to have the last say. So that's one thing that we have done. So next, what we have around here is our first Series 1 catches had an aluminium inlet, and it was a 3-piece inlet that was actually welded along here. So what we've actually done with this now is we've reduced the thickness and we have changed this to stainless steel. So what this does is it makes it incredibly strong. We've also eliminated the welding, which is more of like a manufacturer's upgrade, and we just have one fold up here. So this is now a 2-piece inlet, and not only is it more of a simpler design, but so much stronger. So as you can see here, this clip, we basically just changed this to make it more attractive. Ultimately, this will be stronger as well. It's made out of stainless steel. So, but at the same time, we've slimmed it up to make it a little bit more attractive rather than having such a bigger clip, just sitting on the mower. So we'd love for you to check out the Series 2 Catch Pros on the website. If you don't see, we are constantly adding supported models. So whether it's, Cox tractors or, some Kubota models or whatever it is. If you don't see your supported model on there, feel free to contact us. Call us on the phone, email, hit us up through social media, whatever it is, because just because you don't see your model there doesn't mean that the Catch Pro can't be fitted. And we want to see these things on as many different machines as possible. So all your John Deeres, Wright mowers, everything like that, Skags, we have a lot of fit ups for anyway. So check these out and get on these now. And we just want to see you guys out there using them. Thanks everyone. Sorry, I just had to fly. I feel like it's sticking around me. It's alright, I think it's good now. Hello everyone, and welcome to this... No. I don't know what I'm saying yet.